Hello my Saturday beans, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you must have seen, it is my birthday today. Woo! So as you can see, I have gotten all ready and we are going for my birthday dinner. Naishal is taking me out for dinner and you'll know where we're going when we reach there. By that time, see how I got ready.
Welcome to Get Ready With Me while Naishal tries to be a part of it. Started by blow drying my hair.
किधर जा रहा है? तो मुझे कहाँ लेकर जा रहा है मेरे बर्थडे पे?
कहाँ लिटिल चाइना अपना तो क्या है बजट फ्रेंडली अपन देखते हैं सब स्पॉट उधर सरप्राइज मिल
You look so funny.
तो और सबको मेरा राज पता नहीं
Whose birthday it is? Mine or yours? Why are you getting ready so much?
It doesn't matter well anyone's birthday I will be the one getting ready.
Are you filming a Get Ready With Me?
No.
Why? Just pout and then I will shut the video.
Not pout, there is no pout.
Do. Pout also. Pout.
Starting with the skin prep and going with the skin booster spray serum and following up with this hyaluronic acid serum. Never without my eye cream. And the last step in prepping my face is the primer. Now starting the makeup by obviously going with the foundation and blend. Forgot to apply the lip balm during the skin prep, so doing that right now. Next step is some concealer and blending it out. Setting it all with a setting powder. Once it's all set, removing off the excess powder of my face and going with a bronzer. Highlighting the high points of my face and ending it up with a little bit of blush and gossip. Now for the eyes, went in with this beautiful brown winged eyeliner and going in with mascara. For lips, going with this beautiful chocolatey brown bold lip shade. Looks yummy, doesn't it? The makeup is done, setting it all with the setting spray. I absolutely love the way it has turned out. I think gold complements brown better than silver, so going with this gold chain which says SAS, which are my initials. Okay, I'm back. So I went with this shimmery bracelets in one hand and this brown kada in the other. Stacked the hell out of my fingers, and for earrings going with these gold chunky hoops, and we are ready. This is the final outfit, a brown corset paired with black skirts. The makeup is makeuping, the outfit is outfitting, the hair is hairing. Peak birthday behavior. For bag, I'm going with this white one, and we have reached. We went to Air by Four Seasons. It was on the 34th floor, so look at the view. So come dine with us.
But before that, I would like to rate the place. We went to Air by Four Seasons and the ambience was too good. How much will you rate it?
4 out of 5 for the food.
And the ambience?
Yeah, 5 out of 5.
Yeah, same. I think the ambience was really nice. It's just that the place was really small, but doesn't make a difference. The ambience was 5 on 5. And the food, I would say whatever we tried was really nice, but the menu was limited, so for that I would give it a 3.5 or 4 out of 5 because the menu was limited, but whatever we had was really nice. So yeah, it was a successful birthday dinner.
I'm very much new to this. French toast.
Another day, another birthday dinner. So today I'm going out with my girlfriends for a birthday dinner. To dress for the occasion, went with this beautiful pink top, this cute flower chain and silver hoops. Went with the pink clip, this white eyeliner and this white bag. I love how cute, girly this entire look is. I am obsessed. Day 2 of desert hopping.
Normal too sweet for me. So we are done with dinner and now we are doing desert hopping. The first place that we went to was Magnolia and the dessert was okay. I would rate it like a 7 out of 10. How did you like it? Okay. Karen? I would rate it as in 6 out of 10.
I agree to Karen.
So the next place that we have come is Desert Republic and Miss Ma'am is deciding what to order. Let's see. So what have we ordered?
Do you want me to spell it out the way it is written?
Yeah.
It's called Nutella Refuel Croissant.
Okay, let's see how it tastes.
And it has ice cream in between, like a Nutella ice cream with a lot of good topping in Brazil. It's good. 8 out of 10.
This was so difficult to eat. I just can't tell you, especially with this plastic forks. But it was super worth it. It was so good. I would give it a 9 out of 10. But it was just so difficult to eat. Fast forward to the next day. This is me making envelopes because I'm going to be hosting a Traitors themed birthday party. So I'm making these envelopes within which I will be keeping the roll cards and the shields and everything. This is us cutting out the roll cards and the shield cards, which we are going to be putting in the envelopes that I have just made. We are numbering each envelope so that we can associate each number with each person and it will be easier to know who's the traitor, whom to kill, etc. So the 3 envelopes that he chooses are going to be the ones with the shields in it. Just to give you some context, it's exactly like the Traitors show, and if you have not watched the show, it is similar to Mafia. So there are going to be traitors and innocents. Since there are 16 to 20 people, I'm going to be keeping 3 to 4 traitors and the rest are going to be innocents. And the shield basically protects you from getting murdered by the traitors. This is my outfit for the Traitors night, going with this black bow top, the shimmery end neck piece and some silver hoops and a silver eyeliner. The bow top just sits right on theme.
Whoever is an innocent will message me a smiley with a halo. जो ट्रेटर्स है वो नाइफ मैसेज करेंगे मुझे एंड शील्ड भी है. कोई भी रैंडम 3 एनवेलप प्रोडक्ट्स में रोल कार्ड्स के साथ शील्ड कार्ड्स भी है, तो जिसके पास शील्ड कार्ड है उसको अपना रोल प्लस शील्ड दोनों मैसेज करना है।